The strangest secret in the world is that you become what you think about. Every one of us is the sum total of his own thoughts. When you judge others, you do not define them, you define yourself. People are where they are because that is exactly where they really want to be, whether they will admit that or not. Open your ears before you open your mouth, it may surprise your eyes. Visualization is the human being's vehicle to the future, good, bad, or indifferent. It's strictly in our control. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become reality. Our attitude toward life determines life's attitude towards us. It is not what happens to you in life that makes the difference. It is how you react to each circumstance you encounter that determines the result. Wherever there is danger, there lurks opportunity. Wherever there is opportunity, there lurks danger. The two are inseparable. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. A person who does not read is no better than one cannot read. You are responsible for how your life turns out, and your attitude shapes that life for better or worse. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal.